Welcome to Ketembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the switch of an electric kettle. Instead of buying a new one, it's very simple. You don't have to buy a new one, it can be repaired. So this is the switch. It's located here and it's automatic. When water boils, it switches itself off. So it's very simple. When it doesn't work, it's just the contacts that are far apart. So you just open this point here, remove this that switches on and off, and then there's this part. You pull like that. You pull. It's a little bit difficult, but after removing this top cover, you can see this pin here. This pin, you remove it first, is the one that makes it automatic after being pressed by this when it's hot. So you just adjust these two contacts. You just pull it up a little bit like that, and then that switch is now okay. Make sure the contacts touch each other. So you test it. You can see it's now okay. Now you return the pin first. Now that it has tested the continuity, so you return the pin, and then you return this cover. It's also a little bit difficult. You return it slowly so that you don't break it. You press like this, then you press like that. Try again. Let's try again. Turn it to that point, and then you press in towards the back like that, and now it's okay. It's that simple. Now your switch is okay. Now you return it where it's supposed to be. Like and subscribe for other videos.